do is capture the mission area. Got it?
We won't run away anymore.
Lights out.
Help, friends!
Andy needs help.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Thanks for the boost.
What are you aiming at?
The mission area is yours. Backslash the bear hunt.
There are too many of us.
Control lost.
One shot.
Glad to help.
You're welcome.
I'll get you next time.
Battlefield ready.
That's all it took?
That fucking hurts. Never fall! It's my way! What are you aiming at? From the bricks, baby!
Control C.
Shake it up. We better test this out.
Battlefield ready again. Andy needs help. Lights out.
My time to shine. Get ready. Us against the world! Us against the world!
Gather around.
They're coming to all sides.
Lights out.
Focus on the battle.
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
A thousand gods! Enjoy the amplifier! Don't mind me. What are you aiming at? Lights out.
My area is almost yours.
That was a little messed up there. Thanks.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Sometimes. Or a dagger. I am healed. Another bounty plate, Roger. Nice work. Light doesn't dispel darkness. It helps me see the darkness and face
It's
it.
you and me again, old buddy.
Princess deserves her privacy.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
A princess deserves her privacy.
You're a shooter, like me. There's no shooter like me, buddy.
Never figured I'd have something in common with a talking raccoon.
That cannot be a good sign.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Time to shine.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Jean thinks fondly of so many of you. I hope to learn why.
Battlefield ready again.
Gambit never falls!
Bogey's incoming.
I'll patch you up.
I'll get you next time. I am healed. Let's go.
The mission area is yours to capture now. Capture the mission area!
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
New entries.
Control C!
My life energy grows stronger.
I'm doing this my way!
Us against the world!
Us against the world!
Tandy needs help. Lights out. Take mine.
You've captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
I'll patch you up.
I am healed.
What are you aiming at?
And I was
A thousand gods!
Control lost.
Everybody needs a hand sometimes. Or a dagger.
Be careful here.
I must resist.
Down! Fucking hurt! Back from the brink, baby!
Hold still. I'm trying to help.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
We better
What are you aiming at?
hold still. I'm trying to help. Oh no! Look behind you. Us against the world.
Us against the world!
They've almost got it!
My time to heal.
I'm doing my way! Don't mind me! I'm just...
Much to prove.
You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner.
Our enemies are here. Oh, I need assistance. Ty and I create equilibrium. When it gets we are cloak and dagger. We are.
I'm not the Cosmic rays didn't make me who I am today. Family did.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready.
Mantis, Pete just put Glintar on top of the list. How you hold up?
I can manage. Then we'll free everyone from the collector's theme park, yes?
Battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
We may have to ally with one Doom, temporarily, to defeat the other.
Oh, I need assistance. Force burst! There you are. Anyone willing to help?
I'm good to go.
Healing fantastic.
I am ready to put on a show!
Max?
My life energy flows forward.
They captured the mission area!
Hey, Teeny! Enjoy the amplifier! What are you aiming at?
Friends, gather around!
Clear the way!
Aw, the twig's all grown up.
Control seized!
Focus on the battle. A little extra oomph.
Get out of here! Those guys are about to so and scratch my back.
Bionic burst! Help, friends! A little help, please.
I'll take good care of this guys.
I am Phoenix! Us against the world!
That's much better.
Maximum pulse!
Mission area. Keep going! Disappear!
Clear the way! Clearly you needed some help.
Control lost!
Now I see them. Anyone willing to help?
Control seized!
Force burst! Bionic surge! Feeling fantastic.
The amplifier is almost yours!
I am ready to put on a show!
No worries, I've got your back.